Let's cut the fan off. Welcome back. Green Country Custom Baits here. We've got a couple of swim baits like we did last week. Not sure the brand. We're just going to be doing them in a traditional kind of a Gizzard Shad pattern. Hard for me to tell. Looks like we've got a little bit of some type of a green underneath the black. But other than that, this one's going to be fairly simple. But we are going to add some flash to it, being that this is a shad replicating bait. And shad have those iridescent scales, or at least the thread fin. And we're going to put a little flash in it, even though we're not 100% confident that this particular bait had that. But a little fleck ain't going to hurt anything, is it? I think it's just going to add to the realism and going to make this bait really pop in those clear water situations. So, and again, not just a whole lot of it. I don't know if you're seeing it, but you can catch it in the light. Again, this PS, whatever this is, 290, man, I don't know. Did a decent job on base coat, but from there on, I don't know. So, we're going to add just a little bit more on this larger bait. Important to mix the Hot Rod Sparkle White, which is what the paint application that we're doing here. It's important to add 4011 with it, at least 20%, and to get it to flow and get it to lay down really good. A little bit more on this bait. Again, the majority of this bait is white, so just that upper half, we're going to add a little color to, and we're going to lay down just a real thin area behind the gill plate area of some sepia, and then we'll cover that top half with just above that with sepia. Is a real natural bait fish color, just a complete irregular shape. I'm going to add a little bit of some dimension to it. right, next one up, we're going to do our black. And we're going to do much the same thing that we did on that. Just so we don't have just a complete straight line, we're going to throw some black on the top. Keeping the brush away so we get a little bit of fall down that side. Like so. And then we're going to add this black. I think it just makes it look a little more realistic. This one here really didn't have any kind of scales or anything in the picture, so super simple colors that went into this. Just a sealer white, hot rod, sparkle white, or just hot rod white, and a detailed sepia. Just a traditional shad pattern, gizzard shad. We'll put a little bit of sparkle in it, kind of represent our thread fin or juvenile gizzard shad. So guys, let me know what you think. If you like this, you got some value out of it, please hit the thumbs up button for me. And by all means, leave comments if this is something that you would throw around your waters, if this is more of a clear water or a stained water pattern for you. Until next week, Green Country Customs, signing out.